on, we're working at the speed of light, trying to be parents, trying to live right. Guess we made it, and I wouldn't change a thing. Everybody said you got your daddy's eyes. You are my princess, you are my pride. Now you're grown up, can't believe how things have changed. Now look at you standing in your white dress. Where'd the time go? Not prepared for this. It's rushing back to me like a flash flood. But I remember all the nights, leave the dishes out and we put you to bed. Say no to one more story that I wish I'd have read. I didn't know then, and come to an end, and I want it back now. We started out with dreams and love and nothing more. We ate from paper bags and we slept on the floor. Sometimes we weren't sure about this adventure, but you made us so proud. I blinked, it went faster than a freight train. Happy wedding day. Being on the road like a circus act, the highlight of the night was to hear you laugh. Guess we made it, but it's a little quiet now. Planes, trains, buses, they were all you knew. Companions, best friends, survivors too. We had some hard times, but they never kept us down. Now look at you standing in your white dress. Where'd the time go? Not prepared for this. It's rushing back to me like a flash flood. And I remember all the nights, leave the dishes out and we put you to bed. Say no to one more story that I wish I'd have read. I didn't know then, and come to an end, and I want it back now. We started out with dreams and love and nothing more. We ate from paper bags and we slept on the floor. Sometimes we weren't sure about this adventure, but you made us so proud. I blinked, it went faster than a freight train. Happy wedding day. Happy wedding day. Yeah, I remember all the nights, leave the dishes out and we put you to bed. Say no to one more story that I wish I'd have read. I didn't know then, and come to an end. It's rushing.
I, Matthew,
I, Matthew,
take you, Kaylee,
take you, Kaylee,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise before God
I promise before God
and these friends
and these friends
to be your loving and faithful husband,
to be your loving and faithful husband,
to share with you in plenty and in want,
to share with you in plenty and in want,
in joy and in sorrow,
in joy and in sorrow,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
and to join with you
and to join with you
so that we may serve God and others,
so that we may serve God and others,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
God be my help.
God be my help.
Okay. Kaylee, please repeat these words to Matthew. I, Kaylee,
I, Kaylee,
take you, Matthew,
take you, Matthew,
to be my husband.
be my husband.
I promise before God
Promise before God
and these friends
and his friends
to be your respectful and faithful wife,
to be a respectful and faithful wife,
to share with you in plenty and in want,
to share with you in plenty and in want,
in joy and in sorrow,
in joy and in sorrow,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
and to join with you
and to join with you
so that we may serve God and others,
so that we may serve God and others,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
God be my help.
God be my help.
And then Matt, as you place that on Kaylee's finger. Yep, go ahead.
Okay.
And then I'm going to ask you to repeat these words.
I'm doing it.
Technical difficulties, we're good.
You got it.
There you go, thank you.
Okay, so then you can repeat these words to Kaylee. With this ring,
With this ring,
I commit my love to you.
I commit my love to you.
As Christ has loved me,
As Christ has loved me,
so do I love you.
so do I love you.
I receive you as God's gift to me.
I receive you as God's gift to me.
I cherish your life,
I cherish your life,
and I give you mine.
and I give you mine.
Okay, Caleb, would you give Matthew's ring to Kaylee? Kaylee, you can place that ring on Matthew's finger
Okay.
and repeat after me.
It's a tight fit.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I commit my love to you.
I commit my love to you.
As Christ has loved me,
As Christ has loved me,
so do I love you.
so do I love you.
I received you as God's gift to me.
I receive you as God's gift to me.
I receive your life,
I receive your life,
and I give you mine.
and I give you mine.
All right, it's with great joy that I now pronounce you husband and wife. I also get to be the first to introduce you as Matthew and Kaylee Hammond. Yeah. Woo. It's kissing time.
You went for it, bro.
Oh, yeah.
We've been through low, been through sunshine, been through snow. All the colors of the weather. We've been through high, every corner of the sky. And still we're holding on together. And you got all my love, whether it rains or pours, I'm all yours. You've got all my love, whether it rains, it remains. You've got all my love. Until I die, let me hold you if you cry. Be my 1, 2, 3 forever. 'Cause you got all my love, whether it rains or pours, I'm all yours. You've got all my love, whether it rains, it remains. You've got all my love. La 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 lovely. Whether it rains or pours, I'm all yours. La 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 lovely. That's all I can say. You got all.
When we were young, we always were competing and always, trying to kind of determine who had the better personality, who was, prettier, who was all that stuff, whatever. But I now know why God made us opposites, and I actually think it's really a beautiful thing. Because I need someone in my life, and I always have needed someone in my life who's the type A to my type B, someone who's smart when I'm dumb, someone who's bold when I'm afraid, who is stable when I'm shaken up, who can reach the bottom shelf for me. I'll reach the top one for you. But yeah, someone who lifts me up in my strengths and backs me in my weaknesses. But I also think what I've realized is that life is so much better with someone that's different from us. Yeah. But now, enough about Kaylee. Let's talk about Matt. Now, I know half of the people in here came here because they love Matt and they're here to see Matt get married. And I can truly say that I love Matt so much, and I'm so thankful that he's my brother today. But when I first heard about Matt over FaceTime, I was in Kentucky and Kaylee FaceTimed me. And she's like, yeah, this guy asked me to homecoming, and also we're official, we're dating. And I was like, oh no, I don't know him, and I got to get to know him and all this stuff. But as I got to know Matt, I started realizing, Matt, that you're so different from Kaylee. You are so emotionally stable, yet you feel so deeply in a way that brings Kaylee so much emotional safety. You can sing really well. Kaylee can't. No, I'm just kidding. Kaylee can sing. She's great. But you worship beautifully, not only in music, but with your whole life. Yeah, you're always calm. You're a certified yapper, so empathetic. And you think really critically and creatively in a way that I've never seen before. And Matt and Kaylee, you guys are so different from each other. Kaylee, yeah, you are bold, fearless, like a blazing fire that cannot be put out. You're a deep thinker. You're passionate. You fight for people. You are strong. You think critically and analytically, and you see people and love them for who they really are. You guys are so different from each other, and that's why I'm so happy that you guys have gotten married. Matthew, you compliment my sister in a way that is so beautiful. I know for a fact that the two of you together are a powerhouse that can't be shaken. I know that the two of you will push each other towards Jesus and love each other in a way that brings your strengths out and backs each other in your weaknesses.
That might be one of the most interesting drives we've done, but all in all, dude, the amount of adventures we've gone on together, I am so happy for you and Kaylee that you guys are able to go on this next adventure in life together, that you have each other and you complement each other so well. And Kaylee, I don't know if you remember the first time we met. I was visiting Matt at Judson, and this is when he was trying to walk a certain number of miles a day, and so I had drove all the way from Michigan to come hang out for a weekend, and I joined him on his walk. About halfway through it, Kaylee caught up and joined us for the end of it, and we were talking for a while. And so after that, Kaylee went back to her dorm, Matt and I went back to his, and so I asked Matt, so you and Kaylee? And he goes, no, you know, we're just friends, nothing else. And like, personally, I like to think I know Matt pretty well. So all I'm going to say is I called it, and so about 1 month later, he asked her to homecoming. And now you're here. Matt, you put your all into what you do. You don't do anything halfway. Whether it's architecture or worship or in your relationship with Kaylee, I encourage you just to do the same thing. Continue that. Put everything you have towards it, because you've truly found someone special, and I'm so happy for both of you. Let me raise a toast to Mr. and Mrs. Hammond.
And the bass keeps running and running and running and running and running and running and running. In this context, there's no disrespect, so when I bust my rhyme, you break your necks. We got
5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm affect. To lose our inhibition, follow your intuition, free your inner soul and break away from tradition. Cause when we be out, girl, it's pulling me out. You wouldn't believe how we wow. We burn it till it's burned out, turn it till it's turned out. Act up from northwest, east side. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stoked, get it started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Yeah.
Lose control of body and soul. Don't move too fast, people just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Y'all hear about it? The P's will do it. Get started, get stupid. Don't worry about it, people will walk you through it step by step like an infant new kid. Inch by inch with a new solution. Transmit hits with no delusion. The feeling's irresistible and that's how we move it. Yo.
Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stupid, get it started, get it started, get it started.